Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Sticky Notes and making sure you're signed in if you want sync. Once the app is open, pick an existing note or tap to create a new one. You don't need settings menus yet. Start editing text immediately. The reason is that font changes in this easy method come from text formatting or system settings, so having a note ready saves time. Now that your note is active, make sure the cursor is in the note where you want the new font to apply. You can change how text looks by using simple formatting keys like Ctrl+B for bold. This alters perception of font weight. If you need a different font family, copy text from Word with the desired font and paste using Ctrl+Shift+V to preserve formatting when supported. Once done, you can also change system-wide font settings or scaling in Windows settings fonts, so Sticky Notes inherits a different base font. Make sure to restart the app after installing or changing fonts, so changes take effect. Finish by closing and reopening Sticky Notes, so the app picks up any system font or formatting changes. If the note reverted to default or formatting didn't stick, paste the styled text again as rich text, or reinstall the app from the Microsoft Store to clear cache issues. If changes show only on one device, confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft account and sync is enabled. One troubleshooting tip: if font installs don't appear, reboot Windows to ensure font files register with the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.